Take out your copy and start writing. Now, first thing we will be writing, okay, today's topic is what is the medicinal use of microorganism. So, antibiotic. So, antibiotic is what? It's a substance which kills or stops the growth of bacteria. So, what they will be doing, either they will be killing or they will be stopping the growth of the bacteria. These antibiotics were discovered by the Alexander Fleming. So, Alexander Fleming discovered the antibiotic called as penicillin. Penicillin. So penicillin is the first antibiotic. Very, very important, children. So name the first antibiotic and who discovered it. So penicillin is the first antibiotic and it was discovered by whom? By the Alexander Fleming in the year 1902.
Ma'am,
Yeah, 1929.
ma'am, this Alexander Fleming actually accidentally he discovered the penicillin, right, ma'am?
Correct, correct. Actually, he was working in his lab and by mistakenly from a glass corner of the glass, he found some dust particle like thing and then that he how discovered that. Written till here?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, is this the last topic of this lesson?
No, no, no. Still half chapter is remaining.
Okay, ma'am.
Because see, in your book, NCRT book, I am not using the NCRT book because in the NCRT book nothing is given. So I am teaching with a high level because each and every topic you should know about the fungus, about the protozoa. That is why I have taken a lot of time to complete this. Okay.
Okay,
Is
ma'am.
this higher level, ma'am?
Yeah. Come again.
Is this higher level, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes. See, when you open your book, you cannot find about the fungus, about the protozoa, about the algae, about their study. Nothing you will be finding out in your book.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So what? Right. So whatever you're learning is like beyond the book, very much extra actually. Right? So it's better to take time rather than learning nothing. Correct?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, after this, can we start crop production and management? Actually, that chapter is finished in my school.
Okay, we'll do that. But this chapter will be taking a little more time. Almost, I
Hi.
think, some 3 to 4, weeks I'll be taking.
Okay, ma'am. But after this, can we start that?
Yes, we can. No problem. We can do that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
And
you.
some more examples you should know about the antibiotics apart from the penicillin. It's very, very important for your exam also. So, erythromycin, streptomycin, and tetracycline. These are the other three examples of the antibiotic. Learn them, okay, and write them also. So, erythromycin, streptomycin, tetracycline, and penicillin is the first antibiotic which was discovered by the Alexander Fleming. Done, children? Have you written till here?
Ma'am, what is the
Okay.
spelling of last one?
TETRACYCLINE.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, what is the third example, ma'am?
Tetracycline.
Okay.
TETRACYCLINE.
Okay. Ma'am, the second one?
Streptomycin. STESTREPTOMYCIN.
Okay.
Ma'am, in this, which is the most
No,
effective?
it depends upon it depends upon your infection, your problem, the body disease actually. Like you
Okay.
have now for the fever, you have the different type of the medicine depending upon the age. The children will have this different medicine. The adult will be taking different medicine. Same way, these are also the different medicine for the different reasons.
I mean,
Okay.
antibiotics will Dolo
Hmm.
come.
Antibiotics, Dolo will not come actually.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, second thing we will be studying about the uses of antibiotics, where and all this antibiotics can be used. So, first thing, it is used in treating bacterial infections. So, whatever the bacterial infections are there, they will be treated by the antibiotics. And bacterial infections such as urinary tract infection. So problem in the urinary tract will be cured by the this antibiotics, or the pneumonia also the children will be getting frequently, that is also cured by this antibiotics. Then during the time of the doctors and all, you might have seen they will be doing the surgeries or the operations they will be doing. So during that time also they will be using these antibiotics. So preventing infections during surgeries. So during the surgeries or the medical procedure. So whatever the medical work they are doing, during that they will be using it, as well as to prevent the infection during the surgery they will be using it. Then the next one is about the precautions. So what precautions we should take
Ma'am, can you
when
go back once?
Once show the before
okay, I'll go. Done, children?
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Okay. So now next one, precautions to take while using the antibiotics. So whenever we are taking the antibiotics, what precautions we need to take the first thing, take antibiotics only when prescribed by a healthcare professional, like the doctors. So, always if they prescribe, then only we should take the antibiotic. The second thing, follow the prescribed dosage. So what the doctors will be doing, they will be telling you that for 3 days in the evening, you should take this medicine, this antibiotic. That course, we should complete it. Then only the effect of that bacteria will not be there. Otherwise, what happen? Only one day we are taking, and then if we are expecting that nothing will happen, no. We should always complete the course, whatever is prescribed by the doctor. So follow the prescribed dosage and duration of treatment. So whatever the duration they have said and whatever the dose they have given, we have to follow it. Then the next one, even if you feel better, you need to complete the full course of antibiotics. So complete the full course of antibiotics even if you start better. So what happened with us? Like immediately when we feel better, we stop eating, we stop taking the antibiotics. We should not do that. Even we feel better, we should continue until unless the treatment is over. So this is the third point. Then the next one, do not share. I'll be showing you. First, let me complete this, then I'll be going back. So do not share antibiotics with others. So it should not be like I am eating the antibiotics, same problem. If you have, then you are asking me and I'm giving you. I'm telling you, okay, I have the same problem, you have the same problem. We can take the same antibiotic. No, my weight is different, your weight is different. So everybody has the age difference, right? So we should not actually share the antibiotics with others or use the leftover antibiotics. Sometimes what happens, if any of the antibiotics are left, we should not use it again because what happens when they are in the open air, when they're kept for so long, because if we are opening the bottle, then automatically the air from outside goes into it, right? Or I can say that the germs from outside will go into it. That is why once you have used it, you should not keep it for the long time. Immediately the course is completed, throw away the leftover. Or you should not use the leftover antibiotic from previous treatment. Then avoid using antibiotics for viral infection. So these antibiotics, they do not work for the viral infection because the virus is a borderline, right? So that is why the antibiotics are not there for it. So avoid using antibiotics for viral infections such as the common cold or flu. And the last point, inform your doctor about any allergy. Sometimes what happen if we are taking the antibiotics might be sometimes we get any kind of allergy. So immediately we have to inform the doctor so that they can change it. So these are the points related to the precautions. So note it down, children, now.
Ma'am, can you show the next ones?
Yeah.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay. Others also completed fast.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay. So that's about the medicinal uses of the microorganisms. Still, we are remaining with a topic called as a vaccination. Okay. So antigen, antibiotics, we are completed with today's class. And vaccine and vaccination, we will be doing it. And in today homework, I'll be giving a kind of the case-based question where you have some of the scenarios. Do you know what you mean by scenario? Any idea about the scenario word?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, I think I hope like you are aware. A kind of situation they will be giving you, and through that you need to answer it. Okay. For example, now what I've done is I'll tell you some I'll just read out the question for you. You are a part of a team of scientists. Just let me first of all come to the camera. So I have given you a statement. You are a part of a team of scientists with a mysterious illness outbreak in a small village. So what happened in a small village? Some problem was happening actually. Several villagers have fallen ill with symptoms including fever, diarrhea, and vomiting. So some of the villagers they were suffering from the some of the illness, but they are not aware what type of illness, and they have a symptoms like the fever, diarrhea, and vomiting. So your team suspect that the illness may be caused by microbes. So you have a team and you are feeling like that is caused because of the microbe. Now, using your knowledge of different types of the microbes from the class 8 microorganism chapter, analyze the scenarios and you need to write the possible outbreak, means the possible solution you can give. The first scenario is several villagers who consumed contaminated water from a nearby stream have developed the gastrointestinal symptom such as diarrhea and vomiting. Now, here, see, I'll give you a clue. They have spoken about the water. So, in the water, what kind of microbe is present? Hmm? Algae, bacteria, okay? Generally, algae and bacteria are present. So bacteria is present in the pond water, dirty water, and because of that, problem happened. In the second scenario, a farmer in the village noticed that cows and goats had suddenly fallen sick with symptom of fever and reduced the milk production. So why it happened? You need to write the answer. In the third scenario, children who played in a muddy field near the village pond have developed some skin rashes and itching. Why it happened? Then in the fourth scenario, a group of villagers who consumed improperly stored and spoiled food gathering are experiencing symptoms of food poisoning. Then the last scenario where a stagnant pond was there and because of that they are getting the respiratory problem and the coughing problem continuously. So you need to find out like why it was happening because of what type of the microbe or if any particular microbe is there, what is the name of the microbe it happens. Okay, and what we can do for that. Clear? So that will be the homework. I will be sharing the same question in your WhatsApp class group. Okay. Any doubt if you have, you can ask me.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, these homework questions will post in the WhatsApp group or otherwise up.
You will be sending it personally to me so that I can check it.
The questions, ma'am.
Questions, I will be sharing it on the WhatsApp.
Okay. And we need to
Okay,
post
I'll,
personally the answers what
yeah, answers. Correct, correct, correct. So right away, let me post the question to you so that you can go through it. Just 1 minute. So, no, I'm not able to do that. I'll be doing it. Okay. After the class, let me try. Let me do it. Okay. So we'll meet you next week, children. Now, any doubt if you have, you can message me personally and clarify it. Okay. Okay, children. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
bye. Thank you.